Hey, my name's Zach, and I wanted to show you how to save a file in Photoshop if you didn't know how. So follow me and I'll show you how to save your beautiful artwork. So over here, I don't have that beautiful of artwork, it's just a gray box, but that's okay. I'm going to go up to File, and Save or Save As. Alternately to save, I can do Control S. So I'm actually going to go with Save As. If you want to save this as a separate document rather than your Photoshop document, so you can, let's say, upload it to Facebook, you're going to want to save it as a JPEG. And I'll show you how to do that right now. By default, it actually came up as JPEG here. If you click this drop-down menu, you can actually change it to a variety of different options. I would suggest saving a Photoshop document first, so you can go back in and make changes later. I would do that just by clicking this Photoshop and saving it. I could actually go back in and save again, but I would save it as a JPEG this time so we can upload it to our Facebook. So I go Save as JPEG, and we'll save it to the desktop and call it Gray 1. And hit Save. And here you can pick your quality. That one's fine. Say OK. Now if I minus this out, Gray 1 is saved as a JPEG. My name's Zach, and I just showed you how to save in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.